Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for tuning in today. And in today's video I have my mini me. I have a special guest. Would you like to introduce yourself, special guest?
Yes, I would. Like you said, special guest.
Yes, and
my name is Mawande, and like you said, I am her son, her
well,
mini me.
I didn't tell them that you're my son, but it's fine. Yes guys, he is my son. Yep, I made all of this.
When you say mini me, it does mean your son, so
I'm not gonna do a video with you again.
how man?
I'm joking, baby. Alright, so I have my son in today's video, and we are gonna be doing an
unboxing.
We're gonna be doing an unboxing video. So we're gonna be unboxing hair that I received from a company by the name of Original Queen Hair. So the hair is 20 inches, pre-plugged, 13 by 4 lace front wig, and it's
Brazilian hair.
Yep, I'm sure you guys know me in Brazilian hair like this. Okay, according to the description, the hair has baby hair and the knots were bleached. So the hair was sent on the 13th and I got it on the 20th. It was delivered via DPX. Would you like to open it for me, baby?
Yes, please. This Brazilian hair. That lady's like giving us problems as men.
I go put you a man, Manji.
No, you know what I mean. And there it is, guys. Mother to son teamwork.
Okay, so it came in this nice looking box which is written Original Queen Hair, and then at the back it has all the details and all their socials. Their slogan is
Original Queen Hair will always provide you the best quality and service.
Yep. So I am gonna open this one. I not you this time around.
Come on.
No, the hair is mine.
Yeah, I know that. You know I like opening things.
No, you mustn't like opening things. What do you mean you like opening things? Which other things do you like opening?
Cans. The hair comes in a Ziploc bag and it's labeled hair texture straights, you can see, and stretched length is 20 inches.
Baby, I think I should just leave this channel for you. But you're doing such a great job. Yes, it has 4 combs. It also has a band, and then it also has adjustable straps. How does it smell?
Got that factory smell. So when you buy stuff out of a store and then you just get them out, you smell them perfectly new. Like,
fix it nicely, please.
no wonder it takes you so long
To do what?
to wear these.
Yes. And the hair is not lazy, guys. The hair is moving. How is the quality of the hair? Feel the hair and tell me how the quality is.
It's soft, that's what I can say.
It's soft. Does it look like proper hair?
Without this, yeah. I won't
Obviously,
notice.
you will cut. In this color, we cut the lace. And it's
Oh, I thought you tuck it in.
okay. Out of if from a scale of 0 to 10, how would you rate this hair?
Well, if it was on you, I'd rate it 10.
You recommend other ladies to buy this hair?
Yeah.
Length is also perfect for a 20 because it's like a little bit shorter than me. So for a 20, it's perfectly sized. The density, I'm happy with it. It's 150% density. It's fine, darling. You can take it out. Woo! The hair is nice and silky.
And it just goes right through, so you don't have to pull while you're combing.
Exactly. And the lace is nice and knots do look bleached. Guys, look at this.
On her type of skin, since she's very light, it will just blend in. See?
This child just put hair on.
You see? You won't notice the difference.
Okay, Malanda, it's on my mouth. Anyways, guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already.